Let us begin. Ta-da-da-da.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
So here I'm starting making a drawing of a tree, and these are some of the branches of the tree. And here there is small curves which I'm making the upper part of the tree, the leaves part. Here a small 3 mountains which I drawn. Erase the extra lines, and directly I'm starting with the coloring with the light green oil pastel I'm using, and that's the technique of scrap painting. You have to apply 2 colors. So the first layer which we have to paint is the lighter shade. So if I want the dark green tree, then first I will apply one layer which is the lightest green. So here I am very carefully filling all the area of leaf part. And just blow, and now on this green, light green, I am using a darker shade of the green, so I can very nicely feel entire patch of lighter green with the darker green. Try and cover the entire green, light green, so you will get the good results. Next, now we'll paint the trunk. Here also I choose the lighter shade of brown, which is actually orange color I'm using here. And on that I'm using the dark brown color. Similarly, I will overlap whole the patch. Later you come to know why we are doing this overlapping coloring, because we have to scrap that some of the part. Now here the mountain is middle mountain. I started painting with this yellow color, light shade of the yellow, bright color. I have to show the green mountains, but to get the lighter shade I started a light yellow, and other 2 small mountains I'm painting with the green, light green shade. I just painted that yellow to get the little variation. Now on this I will use the darker shade. This way I feel the darker green shade on the mountains. Now here I starting with the sky. That is also I started with the lighter shade of the blue. And now I'll use the darker blue shade. When you are overlapping, that time you have to be very careful. You should feel the entire patch. As much as possible you can feel completely. Don't keep any space. You have to press little hard to get this kind of results. And now I'm here using the matchsticks. The back side of the matchstick I'm going to use and remove some of the part, and that is the drawing what I'm going to make. So as you draw on that, you can see the down color, the lighter shades you will be able to see, and in some area you can make the line thick and thin. Similarly, some design leaves scribble you have to do, so it get nice effect. And now on the trunk I'll draw some patterns, the wood patterns. It's look very nice when you remove that top layers, some of the part, and you can see the down portion. It's really give the nice look. On these small hills also I'm gonna make some patterns, a little variety. So here I made the curve lines, and on these also curve lines but in a different direction. Just giving the border. And here this small grass with just some strokes towards upwards, so you get the nice feel of the grass. And here are some lines in the sky, just the patterns to create a nice design. a little too small birds. They're sitting, and here we'll make now the stand where they are sitting. And here is the sun. And this way the painting is ready. The complete painting is wonderful design pattern, and we use the scrapping techniques, overlapping the colors and then using any a pointed thing which can remove, and we can draw on them. So I'm sure you must have loved this video and you will also try it. So please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and please spread with the other your friends.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!